What is that?
Gorilla.
You're a liar.
Baby, you remember the one that's in there right there?
Hmm. Oh, that's your. What's the man? There goes your gorilla. Maria. Wow, look at this. Yeah, camping here would be pretty cool. Wow, look at all that. There's monkeys in the tree right there. The Kai Kai is relaxing at home. Wow. Wow, look at this. No one lives there no more, huh? Gotta watch out for the cuckoos. Don't want these hoes falling on my head. Oh, this one, no one lives there for sure. That one looks too old. The monkey, yeah. Yeah, she's a gorilla. She's a big gorilla. Wow, there is a house over here. Ay, come on. There's another gorilla right there. Here's another house. It looks like someone does live over here. Yeah, it's a pretty gorilla. Oh yeah, someone does live here, even though it looks like no one is home. Well, there is someone because we saw them right there. There's a motorbike. There goes a carabao.
Tara na, May.
Carabao. Quítate, cabrón. Órale. Mira, what's up? Wow, look at the carabao. Move. Check out the mountain. Here's another little bitty. Looks like people cook here or something. It's actually pretty peaceful if you live here. I would live here. It's pretty peaceful. The only thing, if it rains a lot, oh my god, that's what it would suck. Man, look at that mountain right there. It doesn't look like it's supposed to look. I wish I could rotate my phone. You get a better angle of everything. Yeah, we've been. Oh, I think there's something by him.